Just got the top of the deck popped off. Would you just look at that? How rotten that is. I didn't record peeling this top off. I had to cut it by hand all the way along. I didn't want to record it because I just wanted to focus on cutting it right without cutting through the boat. It did pretty good. I just used the Milwaukee multi-tool and just went in all the way around. Slow, it took me all day. But I got it off now. See, this bottom piece here was added on about 3 or 4 years ago. Cutting this top deck of the boat off by far was the biggest pain in the ass of this project. It was even harder than building this frame. Like, I think building this frame was almost easier than cutting this off. I have to take this multi-tool here because there was no seam. It was just all glassing together. So I took this multi-tool here and just went in the whole thing. I started about 9 o'clock this morning. It's now 6 o'clock at night. Just cut all the way along. That wasn't fun at all, but I guess it saves me a lot of work now. The whole boat's open just because it's such a small boat. I can get in there, do whatever I want. You don't have to bend underneath anything. It's all open now. We can get to everything. Now we can build it the way I want.